Hello guys, today I show you how to make a long slide animation like this. No complicated theory, just step by step, scene, movement, camera. In an animation everything started with the scene. Here is just a simple plane. Will be our track. Important things is scale. If the scene is too small, the physics will feels weird. Now we shape the geometry. This is actually where the animation begins. The stronger the drop and curves, the more interesting the motion. That the base shape controls behavior. And here I put some 3D models in our project. We can just scale everything. Let's add a simple material. In Cinema 4D, material is just color and reflection. For today's video, it's better to use clean, bring colors, no need for complex textures. Now the object that will move in 3D is just geometry with parameters. You don't need a complex model. The materials is now it behavior in motion. This is where animation starts without keyframes. We are using dynamics. Cinema 4D calculates the moment automatically based on gravity and collisions. There are basic physics parameters. Friction affects speed, beyond affect how it reach on impact. This is where you control the feel of the animation. Always test at this stage, don't wait until the end. If it looks boring, it's usually the shape or the physics. Let's go. Now let's add some object. This is scene composition. Composition is how elements are placed and how they interact in each other. 3D is always iteration. You make something, test it, change it. It carefully works perfectly with first time, and that's normal. Now let's go talk about camera. Camera is presentation. The same scene can look completely different. The assist way is to attach the camera to the object, so it's following it. Lights, it's about reliability. For this type of video you don't need anything complex. Just make sure everything is clearly visible. Now the scene is basic done, only small tweaks left. Render is just output. Let 16 by 9 and your resolution. You don't need heavy rendering for this type of content. In the end, the whole process is simple. Scene, shape, dynamic, camera. Once you understand this, you can make any animation like this. If you want, I can break down more advanced tricks or special details. And let's go below. You can watch a quick time lapse of this creating process.